Alright folks, this is that 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee trying to get the front drive shaft out. Remember I told you the drive shaft came out, but just the other piece is still stuck on the DU. Alright, so that's what it looks like. I took all the Allen screws off, took the drive shaft off. This is what's left. The only way to get this little sucker out of that little cup there, which is rusted, besides shooting it with WD-40, PB Blast, or whatever brand you want, it ain't going nowhere. And you can't really hit it from the other side because there's really nothing to grab it on. So what I did was I used this pry bar. I think it was a snap-on one. Alright. I shoved this in that little hole there. And what I did was I kept hitting it on an angle in 3 spots all the way around. Just spin the rear end. Okay, get it to a good spot. Whack it to the side. Hit it a couple times, turned it around. Put in another hole, whack it, and try to like jar it loose by cocking it that way. And that's how this came out. Took a little while, but you need to trust your little sledgehammer, and you need to hit it really hard. I'm gonna get this on an angle. Oops, I just did it. All right, get that on an angle, push it up, and then this little bug is gonna come right out. Of course, it won't come out the other way because the bar hits the transmission. So here it is right here. Here's the piece. See what I'm talking about? Look at that rust. Okay, it's like a cup. There's no way. If it was a normal DU, you stick a little screwdriver in here and you pry it and you separate the piece. But that cup is all the way around rusted. Okay, like I said, I tried to hit it on the side. There's nothing you can grab over here. Okay, it's not even like a little notch. You hit with a chisel. You can see I tried all different ways to try to get this sucker off. So the best way to do it is just pull the shaft out with the ball, leave this piece in there, get the little rod, stick it in there, and kind of like try to cock it a little bit all the way around and jar it loose. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Now just waiting for a shaft. Alright, make sure you get the same one. This one is ends in a 42. Other ones end in a 41, and it's different. They also have rebuilding kits, but it's not for this particular model. It's not for this 42 shaft. Alright, so you gotta get the whole thing. Go to the Jeep dealer, or you can get it from Dorman. Dorman makes a replacement one. Or get it used, but used will probably be just as good as this one, or just as bad. Alright, so that's it. Ciao. Pain in the butt.